In years gone by, all FX currency pairs were quoted to a set number of decimals. For instance, pound dollar was quoted to 4 decimals, 0.0001. So you might have been quoted 1.6753 to 1.6755. Other currencies where the rate was much higher, like dollar yen, were quoted to 2 decimals, 0.01. So you might have got a quote like 103.42 to 103.47. A pip was considered to be the last decimal, so if dollar yen moved from 103.47 to 103.48, that was a 1 pip move. And if pound dollar fell from 1.6750 to 1.6748, that was a 2 pip move. Some providers like AKFX quote markets to an additional decimal place. For example, pound dollar to 0.00001 and dollar yen to 0.001. That means a price move, for example, from 1.67550 to 1.67551 represents a fraction of a pip move, which here represents a tick.